going to be a porta potty review here on a new home being built in the city of Raleigh, North Carolina here. And there's the actual address. Out bike riding today. It's like a really nice home they're building here. Not sure I can go in there. Got a bulldozer out here. There might be more than one lot. It looks like they're building a circle driveway here. Pretty fancy. Got this beat up looking porta potty here for this construction here, right behind this tree. Got a car coming. We're going to wait for it to go by. Oh, okay. Maybe we got, according to the sign, maybe 4 lots are going to be built here. Exclusive custom homes. Not exactly an exclusive porta potty here. I'm going to go check this out. Kind of beat up for this really fancy home. Let's go check it out. Oh my goodness. It's one of these with this huge urinal in here. A little bit dark. That's the last clean date. Our strap is broke. Got a big spring here, kind of flimsy. This door. Oh boy, that's some bad words. Not sure who or what NCS is. Maybe somebody can tell me what that is. There's our vents. Got one big roll of toilet paper here. And a little dark in here. We got something in there, but it looks very gross. Something's thrown in there. Gross. Toilet paper everywhere here. There's a wad. Yuck. Some holes here. I like these construction sites. I had a porta potty where it had a bunch of holes in it with nails sticking out. Guy shooting nail guns at his buddy sitting in here. Great sense of humor. There's some more graffiti. Can't make that out. Don't know if that's a gang sign or what. This thing is really beat up. Go check the outside out here. There's our vent pipe. Pretty banged up porta potty for such a nice home. You would think there'd be something really nice sitting out here. Something that fancy instead of this beat up thing. And I'll give this probably a medium thumbs to a low thumbs. It's just messed up inside. We'll go peek in this house here. You know, convertible BMW. Yeah, pretty sure this is locked up. 3-car garager here. Look at this. It's a garage and a half. Wow. It's going to be nice. Pretty sure this is locked up. It is. It'll be a nice home though. Nice home being constructed here in the city of Raleigh, North Carolina, out bike riding with a very crummy porta potty to support this construction.